Okay, so composite functions, and in this video we're asked to find f of g to the minus 4. Okay, right, now I'm going to start with the f, and every time I see an x I'm going to put the whole function of g in. So I've got f of g of x is equal to 2. I'm going to replace the x with x squared minus 10. So the whole thing goes in for the x. Take away the 5, which is equal to 2x squared minus 20 minus another 5, which is equal to 2x squared minus 25. Now I'm going to put minus 4 in for the x, so it's going to be 2 times minus 4 squared up, take 25, which is equal to, so 16, 2 lots of 16 is 32, take away 25, which is equal to 7. If you'd like more support with maths, my email is on screen. You're very welcome to get in touch.